Well, that can happen. Obviously that can happen this time of the year. And most of our fall was pretty warm as well. Coming up a little bit later on this morning, we're going to look back at fall and what where we ended up stacking up for the fall months, because today, being December 1st, is the first day of meteorological winter, and it basically feels like it should for December 1st. 42 at Love Field, no delays there. 40 at DFW, no delays to speak of there. And here's what I was talking about across the country. Look, as you look at the satellite and radar across the country, in terms of a square mileage standpoint, the vast majority of the country totally fine for travel. But yes, there will be some trouble spots, especially around the Great Lakes, where that snow will continue. Little snow continues to fall parts of Kentucky into West Virginia, a little snow across the northern plains, South Dakota into North Dakota, but the southern states will be totally fine. Most of the western part of the country will be totally fine today. And here's that forecast, as I talked about. Yeah, it's snow along the Great Lakes. Most of the western part of the country, as I said, will be totally fine. And we'll do it all over again tomorrow. Basically the same areas with those trouble spots. Continue cold across the northeastern part of the country, and dry to the south and dry to the west if you are traveling tomorrow. For us today, it's highs in the upper 50s to low 60s and right around normal for this time of the year. Normal high is 61, and we'll be about 60 to 61 from Dallas to Fort Worth. And look at how normal it is through the upcoming week. Temps just, sometimes like we had last week, we have those wild swings in temps, and this week it's just kind of a much smoother roller coaster ride for us. We go anywhere from 58 to 61, only a 3-degree temperature swing through the upcoming week. We're dry today, dry tomorrow. We'll be dry on Tuesday as well, but Wednesday brings some changes as some showers move back up into North Texas. Highest coverage will be across southeastern areas, but some passing showers possible in DFW. Looks like we'll stay dry on Thursday. Friday will time out. Maybe a disturbance tries to bring some rain into the area. Same thing on Saturday as well, mostly across southern North Texas, and then we'll be watching for potentially another disturbance Sunday and into Monday. The exact timing, the exact coverage of those, especially that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday time frame of those disturbances, still not set in stone. But as of right now, it definitely looks like best chances will be across southeastern portions of North Texas to see rain basically Wednesday through next Monday. The farther north you go, the lower your rain coverage is. In fact, northern parts of North Texas, it's not entirely possible that you don't even see a drop of rain through this week and maybe even next week as well. There's those seasonal temps as we talked about. We'll go 30% coverage of rain for DFW on Wednesday, 20% Friday, 20% Saturday, 20% Sunday, and 30% next Monday. Of course, as I mentioned, that Friday through Monday time frame will fine tune those rain coverages as we get a little bit closer through the upcoming week. A lot of seasonal weather over the next couple weeks. No 70s, no 80s, but also no Arctic blasts either.
All right, Kyle, sounds good. Well,